Hey guys, welcome back today we are in Grow A Garden and we have got a crazy glitch, the Moon Melon sprinkler method. So this one's a bit more advanced and I bet most of you haven't seen it before. It's not just the regular sprinkler stacking, this goes way beyond that, so let's jump right into it. How to get moon melon seeds? First of all, if you are wondering how to get moon melon seeds again, they have actually been re-added to the game. You no longer need the Blood Moon shop. Instead, they are uh, rewards in the summer harvest event. So scroll down through the event rewards and you will find out and look for the purple seed right over here. That's the one you want. So now setting up the moon melons, it's basically before we start this glitch, make sure you have got moon melon planted. As you can see right here, I have some of them right over here. If you don't have any plants yet, take your seeds and plant them super close together. Spend them in one spot. Then use the travel tool to move and stack them. The more moon melons you stack, the better this works, and it makes a huge difference. They all get affected at the same time, so more moon melons, it's basically more money. For sprinkler methods, as you probably right now know how to do that, so we need basic sprinkler, advanced sprinkler, godly sprinkler, master sprinkler, and add-on is sweet soaker. This one is today sweet soaker or this honey sprinkler. It kind of works both ways. So I think if you have either of those, it will be great. So if you are struggling to get this, especially the master or godly, you can use an auto clicker uh, or tiny task macro to farm them easier uh, right here, or join the Grow a Garden Discord server so that you get notification when it's available. Now once you have got your moon melons planted and stacked and you have got all the sprinklers ready, you are good to go. So first thing first, we need to pick existing uh, moon melons. This glitch or patch this effect works just only on fresh one, so I can even probably uh, uh, put them a little bit closer so that it will affect them more evenly. So something like that. For step one, as I said, pick up your uh, melons. Now place down the sprinklers in this order. So first one, it will be master sprinkler. Then needs to be this new one, sweet soaker or honey sprinkler. Then godly sprinkler, advanced sprinkler, and for the last one is basic sprinkler. Stack them all on top of each other right over your moon melon stack, as you can see. So I will take this one here too, that we will see if something happens. So Yeah, sometimes it's hard to pick up some fruits, but yeah. Uh, Step 3, now you just leave the game, wait at least 1 hour longer is better, then come back to check on them. So then we have advanced method with mooncats. If you are familiar with that, uh, to take this glitch to the next level, you are going to need up to 8 mooncats. You can do it with less, but 8 is ideal because the maximum number of animals in the garden is 8. So if you have 8 cats, that's the best thing. Each mooncat has two effects that matters here. Every 66 seconds they nap for 20 seconds while they are asleep, and any new fruit within 20 studs become 1.5 larger. They have 8% chance to let nighttime fruit stay after harvesting. So I will put this on here. So if you have 8 mooncats equipped, that's a 64% chance you moon melons duplicate when you harvest them. This means instead of harvesting 100 moon melons, you might get 300 or more duplicates. So at max level that chance goes even higher, so it's 80%, which is insane. So extra method to supercharge the glitch: after you place your sprinklers, equip all 8 moon cats, then leave the game for 20 to 30 minutes or 1 hour. You will need a second device or alt account. Log into your main account, but don't press play. Stay on the loading screen, then use your alt account to watch the moon cats. As soon as one or more fall asleep, uh, go back to your main account and click play. The white flash will happen and new plants will grow massively. This is how I got those giant, but I hope that I didn't sell it. No. Oh, I accidentally sell it, but yeah, you can get to, I don't know. As you can see, this mango is 57. I think I had moon melon around here or 100 kilo. So yeah, it can get massively big. So then they are worth a ton of money. Final step, let it mutate. Once you have done all that, just AFK the game to let the moon melons mutate. When you are happy with the mutation of uh, um, this amount of mutation, you can harvest them and you will get crazy amount of money. As you can see, this moon glow is half a million. Nothing too special, would you say, but it's kind of huge. It has just one mutation, so I will wait for 2 or 3 more and then I will harvest it and it will be worth, I think, around million or 2 million. So it's pretty crazy and powerful. Uh, that will be it, guys, for today's video. I hope it helped you and you find it helpful. So let me know if it worked for you, and don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. And thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next